Hello there. My name is Amanda Huff. This first song is called Nervous System. And it's just different musings, I think, about the shortcomings or candidness of the mind. I've got a nervous system. I've got a broken brain. I just spent the last half hour pouring my saliva down the drain. I've got a clawing passion right between the legs, where the digits feel restlessly, trying to relieve a listless pain. But where can I find relief? Broken hearts, broken arms, broken teeth. I've got a nervous tick now, a manic pierce relieved from my own throat. And in the dark it howls for things I ain't gonna reach. A mangled breath searching for, I know it. But where can I find relief? Broken hearts, broken arms, broken teeth. Sharp field, twist leg, hold up your head, hold up your head. Blunt blade, scrambled egg. Do not be late, do not be late. Sharp field, twist leg, hold up your head, hold up your head. Blunt blade, scrambled egg. Do not be late.